friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens, and this is for Friday, September the 12th only. We have a free Dove whole body dry spray, deodorant spray you can use anywhere on your body, which is quite magical, especially if you live in like hotter climate states, Florida, California, Texas. This is a great thing to have in your purse, and I did enjoy using this myself in the summertime. So at Walgreens, you're going to go in the deodorant aisle. I recommend to do this in store specifically because sometimes if you do like a curbside pickup, will you get your receipt? Yes or no? That's always the question. This is just easier to go in store and get your physical paper receipt because there's a couple rebates to go with this. So if you go over to your digital coupons folder, we have a 5 off of 1. And as you can see at the very top, it expires today. So that's why you have to do this deal like today, which is Friday the 12th. So if you're moonwalking near a Walgreens and you want one of these deodorants, this is how you're going to make it happen. So if you go over to your IBOTTA account, currently there is a $5 back on the whole body. So definitely open up the app, make sure that the rebate is still there, scan the barcode, you know the drill, because if you don't have this $5, it's like a big piece of the pie. And if you have not signed up for this app, sign up today. Check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral link, I think you get like a $5 bonus on your first qualifying receipt. How nice is that? Over on Fetch, if you might have 4,000 points back when you buy one, mine is 4,500 when I buy two. A little different, but if you have the 4,000 back when you buy one, you're going to get an additional 4,000 points, as this is a Unilever deodorant. So we're going to look at this two different ways. The first one is with both, and the second one just with IBOTTA. So grabbing one of those sprays for $12.99, subtracting the digital coupon, you will pay $7.99. Get back, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $5, and then photograph your receipt to Fetch for an additional $4. That's $9 in rebates right there. So it makes your order free plus a dollar moneymaker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use like up to $5 in Walgreens cash. I mean, make it happen. What an amazing deal. And I know that earlier in the week, there was issues with digital coupons not coming off. I think on Monday, it didn't work for me. But on Tuesday, Wednesday, it was working perfectly. All the digital coupons in the Walgreens app coming off at the register. Say if you only have one of the rebates, grabbing one of those dry sprays for $12.99, subtracting the digital coupon, you'll pay $7.99. $5 back from IBOTTA. The final price point here for this dry spray that's $12.99 is $2.99. So still some significant savings to get this deodorant for $3. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And yeah, I would definitely try and make this deal happen. And I know that there has been some deodorants in that section on clearance. Able to grab a Dove whole body dry spray and another Unilever deodorant that's really cheap. If you have the 4,500 when you buy two with the Fetch app, it's still something, and perhaps there might be another digital coupon to go with the other Unilever deodorant, but like look around, you might score big today. And I just wanted to let you guys know on Wednesday morning, this guy showed up on only one of my accounts, not both, only one. It's a 5 back when you spend 15, and then last week I had a 5 back when you buy anything in store. So this is really nice. This is just like a regular schmegular booster, and it starts on Sunday. So check your accounts if you might have it. I know a lot of people were getting this specific one. How exciting is that for the deals starting on Sunday the 14th? That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Good luck out there. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.